Narinig mo na ba ang tungkol sa cryptocurrency? Sobrang daming gustong mag-invest dito. Pero ano nga ba ang cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a kind of digital asset which uses cryptography for its security. And this is a kind of digital asset that operates independently and nagre-rely ito sa technology na tinatawag na blockchain. And magagamit mo ang cryptocurrency sa sobrang daming peer-to-peer transactions kahit wala kang bank account. And ang pinaka-expensive na cryptocurrency ay tinatawag nila na Bitcoin or the digital gold. Kapatid, that is cryptocurrency. See you on my next video.